On this week's episode of Living the Selva Loca, we're doing a turkey chops with black beans. Hi, I'm Marque the Selva and this is Living the Selva Loca. Thank you for joining us. This week we're actually doing a turkey chops. I can't believe it. I've been telling a lot of my friends that I found turkey chops. It does exist. It's actually like pork chops. It's very similar to pork chops. It has a bone in it and everything, but it's turkey. And so it's very healthy meat. I'm actually going to do a quick stew with black beans as a side dish. I'm going to add garlic rice, as well as you can add a salad, like a green salad. If this is your first time joining us, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And please remember to hit the subscription button below if you haven't already, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a video. Let's get started with this turkey chop stew with black beans.
Cabeça, beleza, cuida da natureza, tem que aprender.
My oil is really hot and I'm gonna add the 3 turkey chops. I'm gonna let that brown. What I'll do is I'll do that 3 times on both sides, maybe for 3 minutes each, because you want to make sure it's turkey, so you want to make sure that it's well, you brown it well. Don't want to end up with salmonella poisoning. I'll let that sit brown on each side 3 times and 3 minutes each. Our turkey chop is browning really nicely, as you can see. And we will let that brown maybe for another 2 minutes. So while the turkey chops simmer for another 20 minutes, I've added the black beans and I've added a little bit of cilantro. Cover it and then it will cook for another 20 minutes. I'll check it again. Also on the side, I've made like a chickpea with avocado salad. I'll put all the ingredients that I use in the salad below. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. We are going to actually go to our up close, culture up close segment. And then when we come back, we will kind of finish up. Turkey chops has been cooking away for about 20 minutes. I've added the black beans and I've added also a little bit of cilantro, and so it's just cooking away. I've added a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper as well, and I'll just cover it again and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. So our turkey chops is finished, it's ready. I literally just took it off the stove. You can see it's still hot and steaming. I'm just going to show you up close what it looks like. Okay, so this is, look at that. Isn't that delicious? This is the finished turkey chop stew with black beans. Oh.
Mar da Bahia, amar, o mar da Bahia, pois Oxum e Iemanjá.
Still hot and steaming. So I'm gonna plate it with the rice and the salad that I made. This is our garlic rice. It's a little bit moldy or a little bit soft. Not typically how I would make it, but it's still nice. This is our salad, our chickpea salad. There's kale inside, there is chickpea, Asiago cheese, some cucumbers, baby tomatoes, red peppers, green peppers, some avocado. And I also added some blueberries and some kiwi. This is this week's meal. Hope you enjoy it. This is a plated meal. Our turkey chops with our black bean stew, with our kale and chickpea salad, and our garlic rice. Bon appetit. And by the way, if you're curious, I'm just using just the black turtle beans. I just got this at my local grocery store. And in case you're curious about the olive oil that I use, and they're not paying me for this, but I love this brand of olive oil. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe, the turkey chops with black beans stew. Who knew? Turkey chops? Well, it exists. If you like this recipe, please put a like below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscription button. I think it's here or here somewhere, I forgot. And also there's another recommended video that you might be interested in watching that will be posted. I think it's here. Thank you so much for hanging. Until next time. Tchau.
Cuida da natureza, tem que aprender a amar. O mar da Bahia, amar. O mar da Bahia, Oxum e Iemanjá foi quem me ensinou a nadar. Água, mamãe.